How to turn off backup in Google Photos. Firstly, you have to open the Google Photos app in your phone. Now click on the profile icon which is present at the right top corner. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Now you can see here backup is off. Click on it. Click on the circle which is present at the right top corner. You can see here how to turn off backup. Click on it. Now the backup is being off in your Google Photos. If you want to turn it on, it will be on. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you